Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine seeing more of your surroundings, spotting enemies faster, and having a clearer shot. That's the power of iPad view in PUBG Mobile. Many pro players use this wider field of vision to their advantage, and now you can too, right on your Android phone or tablet. Getting that expanded view means better situational awareness, which is critical in fast-paced combat. You'll react quicker and make more informed decisions, enhancing your overall gameplay experience significantly. It's about optimizing your display for peak performance. So, how does this magic happen? Essentially, we're tricking the game into displaying a wider perspective, similar to what an iPad naturally provides. While Android devices have different aspect ratios, specific settings can stretch or modify the game's rendering. This isn't about simply zooming out. It's about gaining more horizontal screen real estate. Think of it as opening up your peripheral vision within the game. Understanding this core concept is key to successfully applying the methods we will discuss, giving you that authentic widescreen feel. Your first stop is always within PUBG Mobile itself. Head straight to the Graphics and Audio Settings menu. Developers sometimes include options for different display sizes or aspect ratios, especially as devices evolve. Carefully check for any screen resolution or display mode settings that might offer a wider view. Some versions might have an ultra-wide or tablet view toggle in the future, designed to improve compatibility. Adjust these settings carefully and restart the game to see the immediate effect. It's about finding the sweet spot for your device. For a more advanced approach, Android's developer options can sometimes offer solutions. First, unlock these settings by tapping your phone's build number 7 times in the About Phone section. Inside, you'll find an option called Smallest Width, or DPI. Increasing this value effectively shrinks elements on your screen, which can make the game render a wider perspective. Always note your original DPI before making changes, and reset it immediately after your gaming session to avoid system-wide display issues. Use this method with care and always test thoroughly. While achieving iPad view is exciting, remember that performance and account safety are paramount. Pushing your device too hard with extreme settings can lead to lag or overheating, negatively impacting your gameplay. Crucially, stay away from unverified third-party GFX tools or applications that promise magic solutions. These often violate PUBG Mobile's terms of service and can result in a permanent ban. Always test any new display settings thoroughly in training mode or unranked matches first, ensuring your experience remains smooth and fair. Play smart, play safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.